This is a 2-scoop order for Parker. Happy birthday, Parker. She likes Miffy, Kuromi, little twin stars, and keroppi. She's really hoping for canvas bags and clear pouches. She doesn't want any combs, erasers, mechanical pencils, or bracelets. Let's save this mechanical pencil, eraser, and bracelet for later. 1 canvas bag. Five notebooks. Plus 2 more. One file folder. Two highlighters. She didn't get any pens in this scoop, so let's exchange one for a pen set. One clear pouch. Plus 1 more. One memo pad. Plus 2 more. Two sticky notes. Plus 2 more. One sticker. Plus 3 more. Two bookmarks. Plus 1 more. One scenery sticker. Two keychains. Let's exchange one for this Miffy beaded charm. Three plush keychains. One eye mask. Let's exchange it for this plush pencil bag. One hand towel. Three card holders. Let's exchange for 2 coin purses. One scrunchie. One claw clip. add a hair clip. One pencil case. One coin purse. One plush charm. Plus one more. Two Uno cards. Two Taba squishies. Plus one more. One bricks. One pin badge. Plus one more. Two mini charms. Plus one more. Let's exchange these for one canvas bag and two A5 file folders. Okay, Parker, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.